if you're wondering what the exhaust setup is, I have done a brushed look, but it is a 4-inch straight back from the downpipes. Downpipes still have cats, so it's the downpipes to a Y pipe into a 4-inch, straight through all the way back. I cleaned it up. This came off John's single turbo car. His YouTube channel, I'll link it below. But that's the exhaust. I am going to do downpipes. I have the VSRF downpipes ready to go on. Once I do that, I'm going to add a vibrant resonator, and hopefully it'll give a really good tone, because it sounds, I really like how it sounds right now. I'm just afraid that the downpipes are going to amplify it. It's already got a bit of a drone. It's not horrible. You know, I drive this car a lot for work, and so far it hasn't been too bad, but it's definitely noticeable. So I think a resonator will fix that, because right now there's no resonators. It's just the downpipes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. It was just a short video showing off the exhaust. I think it sounds pretty good for what it is, especially for what I got for it. It was built for around $800, and I ended up paying around $500, and he helped me install it. So pretty good. Sounds pretty awesome, and hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.